with a broken rear windshield and about an hour of yanking this thing and cutting all the roots. We're going to try to yank it one more time. You ready? We broke that wire for sure.
Ready?
Alrighty. Still something there. It doesn't want to come out. The pipe! The pipe is like the pipe. It's getting close, but that poor pipe is on. Woo-hoo! Broken the pipe. Yep. Bye bye. Woo! Bye bye. That's it.